Okay, so when dealing with the blog widget, let's go ahead and get that added. This is one of those that hooks directly up to the blog module. So let's go ahead and go to the blog module, district blog. All right, so there are no blogs here, but let's go ahead and add one. Oops, blog. And let's give this a clip art for a thumbnail. And we'll say this is my first blog. All right, great. Now let's refresh this homepage. Yes. Okay, so now when we go in to configure this, these are things like the title, if you want to change the title of the widget, the truncate length. So let me go ahead and truncate this from the first 6 characters. And now you'll see it just says this and then an ellipsis there. So all it does is it takes that description and it chops it by the first 5, I believe. Even though it's up to 6, the 6th letter is actually hidden. Okay, then there's the style options, including strip HTML tags, hide the posted date, hide the author link, or hide footer links. So the posted date is this posted Thursday, December 5th. Author link is that by Alex Avila. Hide footer links is that permalink there. And don't worry about the strip HTML tags. More often than not, you'll find that blog descriptions don't really have HTML tags within them. Then we have max items to show. And this is pertaining to how many of these blog posts are we going to show in this little feed here. Uh, Now, by default, it's set to 5, so it'll take the first 5 that are showing in this blog module and display them here. And you can increase or decrease this number. Then there's functionality options. So if you like to hide the thumbnail in list, so what that'll do is that'll actually remove this thumbnail, so all we see is this my first blog and the uh, by the author link and then the description, etc. Show pager top. So what this will do is, as you feel this blog module open up, you'll see some pagination occur, which just means you'll list some you'll list some of these on the first page, and then you'll have a second page with the rest of them. And the more you fill it up, the more pages you'll have essentially. So with the show pager top, it's actually going to place pagination on the top. So it'll actually display 5 in one page and then 5 on another page, so on and so forth. Then there's show pager bottom, which is the same thing, but it's actually going to place it below all the blog posts. And lastly, there's comment count. So if you wanted to show how many comments are placed on each blog, let's see. So I do have commenting enabled. So if you want to display how many comments are placed on each blog, you can go on and enable that show comment count there. And that's exactly how the blog widget works.